In this video, I will show you how to manage and analyze your comment auto-response campaigns. Let's get started. First, go to the Comment Growth Tools section on the left sidebar of your dashboard. Click on Campaigns. Select a page. You can change between Facebook and Instagram ones on the upper switch. Now, you can do several things. In the middle section, you will see a brief report of the auto replies, auto comments and tag replies that you have active for that page. Scroll down, and you will also be able to configure full page comment and auto-like campaigns. On the right column, you'll find your latest posts. Click on the settings icon to enable, edit or deactivate auto replies, auto comments, and tags on that individual content. You can also check the latest comments and manually write one. Finally, the See Campaign Reports button in the lower end of the page will allow you to inspect your campaign analytics in detail. In the drop-down menu, choose which feature you wish to explore. For example, let's choose Auto Replies. This will display a detailed list of all the automatic answers that have been set on that page. On the Actions button you can pause, edit or delete them, as well as display an even more detailed report of every reply sent under that template by clicking on the eye icon. Don't forget to visit our tutorials section to find more information about our tools and how to make the most out of them.